Good morning students. Yesterday we have discussed about namespaces and import statements, and we learned the different ways to use import statement for importing modules into a program. Today we discuss about packages or libraries and how to create a package and import it into a program. So first of all, we must know what is a package or a library. Package is a collection of related modules, or we can say that package is a directory to a modules, and technically package and library both are same. We can say that a package is simply a collection of similar modules, submodules, etc. And package and library are technically the same. Now the steps to create and import a package. First of all, create a directory, name it geometry, and add both the modules area.py and volume.py, which we have make earlier in it. Now next step is to create a init underscore dot py file in a directory geometry. This file are required to make Python treat the directories as containing packages. Next step is import the package and use the attributes contained inside the package. Now let's do this practically on Python IDLE. Now first of all, open Python IDLE and in a shell write open shell in a Python interactive mode. Open this. First of all, create a directory by writing import os. Then write os.mkdir, as mkdir is a function of os module, and write geometry in double quotes, the name of the directory which you want to create. Suppose we have create geometry, write geometry. Press enter. Now our directory have been created. Now we will create modules into this directory now. Open file, click on file and open new file. Here create two modules, area.py and volume.py, in the same way we have created earlier. Hash area module. Write only the function into the module which you want to import, or anything like you can write any variable also, class, etc. We are writing a function def rectangle underscore area, and we pass two arguments in it, length and breadth. This is the header of our function. Then write return. I am writing directly. You can also take a variable for finding the area, length into breadth. So this is our first module. Save this module in a geometry directory. Say by using save as. Save this in a geometry directory. From select geometry and save it with the name area underscore or area underscore module dot py, or whichever name you want to take. But always remember, save it into a geometry directory. Now make another module. volume module. Suppose here we are finding the volume of a cube, so write cube underscore volume and take side as the argument. Passed it into the cube underscore volume function. I'm writing directly. You can also take a variable for finding the volume of a cube. Write side into side into side. Now save it by using a save as in a geometry module. And suppose the name of this module is volume.py. Volume.py. Save this in geometry module. Now we have created two modules. Now the second step is create a file underscore init underscore .py. Open again a new file and create here a init. Init means initialize, and init.py is simply a file which is used to consider the directories on the disk as package of Python. It is basically used to initialize the Python package. Now create right from area underscore module, import rectangle underscore area. init file is used to consider the directories on the disk as a package. Again, also import volume by using a from statement. From volume import volume.py, cube underscore volume.py. Now save it also by using a save as option in a geometry file and give it a name underscore init underscore .py. You always have, when you will create init file, always give it a name underscore init.py. Save it. So this is init underscore .py file. Now we will import this package into a file, new program. Open a new file right here. Comment I am writing import package. Now we will import the package we have created. First of all, write from geometry. Geometry is a directory name. From geometry, then write import keyword. Import, we are importing both the modules. So write the name of the geometry, as it is a case sensitive because we have created geometry with the G capital. Import both the modules. Import area underscore module and cube underscore volume. Volume is the name of our module, so write module. Print area underscore module dot area underscore module is the module name dot rectangle underscore area. Rectangle underscore area is the function inside the area underscore module, and pass the value of length and breadth. Suppose we have passed 10, 20. Second, write print there will be a 2 brackets here, print. Now import second module. The name of the second module is volume dot, and the function we are importing is cube underscore volume, cube underscore volume, and pass 10 as a argument to it. Run this program, and first of all save this program and then run this program. Run this program. Save as run, and save this program also in a geometry directory. Save it by any name. Suppose I have given first.py, first1.py. Save this and run your program by pressing F5. So this is our output, 210,000. So in this way we will create a package and import it into a program. So this is our package. This is our initial file, initiating a file. This is a volume module, and this is the initiate. Again I'm showing. So in this way you can create a module and use you can create a package and use it in your program. Thank you.